Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles on Discord. First, open your Discord server and navigate to the server settings. Look for the Roles tab on the left-hand menu. Click the plus icon to create a new role, then give it a clear name and pick a color to help it stand out. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your community effectively. Once your role is named and colored, it's time to manage its permissions. Discord's permission system allows you to control what members can and cannot do. You can toggle specific abilities, such as sending messages, kicking members, or managing channels. Remember, permissions are assigned to roles, not individual users, making management much simpler. Carefully consider each setting to maintain a secure and functional server. With roles created and permissions set, you can now assign them to your server members. Simply go to your server settings, click on Members, and then select the member you wish to assign a role to. You can also reorder roles by dragging and dropping them in the roles list. This hierarchy is important because higher roles can override permissions of lower roles, ensuring proper control and organization. Finally, consider integrating bots for automated role assignments, which can save you a lot of time. Bots like Carl, GG, or MEE6 can handle reaction roles, allowing members to self-assign roles by reacting to a message. You can also create unique roles for special events or specific community groups, adding a fun and organized touch to your server. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum in the description for a smarter way to clean, along with other great deals. These advanced techniques help maintain a vibrant and well-managed Discord community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.